Hi everybody, happy 2014. I'm glad you're still with us this year. So I thought that today might be a really good day for me to do some rearranging, new year, new furniture, new everything, whatever. So I've got my room, and this is my room right here. There's Stanley saying hi to everybody. And I've got this big old couch. And I thought, you know what, I may not want this couch anymore, but I don't know how big it is. I don't know how much area it takes up on the floor, and it's a really odd shape. If you see, it's not just a regular rectangle. So for me to figure out the area, I know the area of the room, but I don't know the area of the couch. So I don't know how much room is taken up by the couch. So I don't know how I'm going to measure it. So when I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, well, I can find this length right here. And then this length right here, and then this length right here, and this length right here, and this length right here, and then this length right here. But then that's a hexagon. I don't know how to find the area of a hexagon. I know how to find the area of squares, rectangles, and triangles, and trapezoids, but a hexagon, I don't know what to do. So this is when I show you a little bit of math magic. So for a second, I want you to pause the video, and when you pause the video, I want you to ask yourself, what would be the easiest way to find the area of this couch? Because again, I want to get a new couch. I know the area of the room. I just need to know how much room this has already taken up, so I know what it looks like. Stanley wants to help. No, I guess not. So go ahead and pause your video and think, what would be the quickest way for me to find the area of this couch? Paused. Okay, now you've unpaused it. Woo, it's amazing. So I'm going to do some math magic here. We're going to see if we can actually figure this out. So how am I going to do it? Well, I'm going to probably break it into shapes that I already know. And this kind of looks like two rectangles to me. So let me do some magic. This is pretty intense stuff. Hold on. I gotta put down the camera for a second, and you're gonna see it happen. Did you see it? Did you? Oh, you can kind of see it. Look what I did. Here's my couch still. Boom. I took it apart. So now I've got a rectangle and a rectangle. Well, I know how to find the area of this rectangle, and I know how to find the area of this rectangle. So all I have to do now is just add them together. Magical. So here's your question for the week that I want you guys to blog about. I need you to tell me, where else might you see these kind of situations? When else might you have an irregular shaped object, like a hexagon or an L couch or something like that? Where else would you see that situation in the real world? This would be my prime example, this couch. I needed to find the area of it so I could buy a new couch and make it fit in this room. So I want you to blog and give me a couple of sentences, complete sentences, saying, this is where I think I would use it, or this would be an idea. And just something to get your minds thinking about math in the real world. That's a crazy sign, but whatever. Well, again, guys, thank you so much. Please remember that next week we will not be having class on Tuesday, which would be the 14th, I think. But we will be having class on Thursday. So I look forward to seeing you guys all there. Bye.